We're in Sequoia National Park. This is Congress Trail, I believe. Just beautiful scenery. Well done hikes and trails are marked. And the trees are just amazing. So this is a little view where we are today. I don't know how wide this thing is or whatever, but that's the captain over there. She's pretty tiny.
That's wider than our RV.
But yeah, that's... These things are monsters. It's hard to put this in the camera. With these trees, the shapes and what they do. I think the miss is expecting the picture and I'm not taking a picture, so she can just pose all day.
You said go under the tree. Review on the outside of it.
Now we take a walk through the tree tunnel.
I want a picture of you at the entranceway. My camera will just do it. So cool.
All right.
You know, we might have to do a book on our national park travel.
That's what the tree inside the tree looks like.
Dude, imagine. Dude, this is an actual inside of a lab. Imagine.
Alright, now we have
Alright, we're gonna walk inside a big Sequoia.
Look at that. I wonder if woodpeckers ever probably.
Didn't even bother.
Oh, right, that's true.
Come on.
I've never taken so many pictures of trees before, but it is amazing how these trees can survive. The fire, the storms, and the rest of it.